How to find errors in a SOLIDWORKS model. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design course. In today's video, we'll look at a practical way to find errors in a SOLIDWORKS model when its geometry or volume does not match the engineering drawing. For this example, we'll use CSWP Practice Level 1, Problem 1.6. I'll compare a correct model with a second model that contains several mistakes. Let's get started. I have two parts open here. The first model is correct, and the second model has been modeled incorrectly. You can download 3D models using the link in the video description. To begin, let's check the volume of the incorrect model. Go to the Evaluate tab and select Mass Properties. According to the drawing, the volume should be 24,032 cubic millimeters. However, the incorrect model shows 24,025 cubic millimeters. That difference may seem small, but it tells us that something in the model does not match the drawing. So, how can we quickly locate the problem? Comparing both parts. One useful method is to place both parts into a new assembly and compare them visually. SOLIDWORKS also has a geometry compare utility that allows you to compare the volume and faces of two parts and highlight added, deleted, or modified geometry. I'll demonstrate this method at the end of the video. First, we'll compare the models directly in the assembly. It's a simple and very visual approach. First, create a new assembly. Then select Insert Components and insert both parts. At first glance, the two models appear to be identical. To make the differences easier to see, I'll mate the origin of the correct part with the assembly origin. Then I'll do the same thing for the incorrect part. Now I'll change the appearances. The correct model will be orange. The incorrect model will be blue. Perfect. With the two models displayed in different colors, the differences are much easier to identify. Error 1, the bottom profile. The first difference is located along the bottom of the part. The lower profile of the blue model does not line up with the orange model. This usually indicates an error in the sketch used to create that feature. I'll open the incorrect part and edit the sketch. Here we can see that the sketch is underdefined. The blue line is missing a horizontal relationship, so its position is not fully controlled. I'll select the line and add a horizontal relation. Now I'll exit the sketch and rebuild the model. When I return to the assembly, the bottom profile of the blue model now matches the orange model. That fixes our first error. Error 2, the radius. Next, let's continue comparing the two models. Here we can see another difference around the curved section. The radius does not transition smoothly into the adjacent geometry. Let's open the incorrect model and inspect the sketch that controls this area. The arc is missing the required tangent relations. I'll select the arc and the adjacent line, then add a tangent relationship. After rebuilding the model, the curved profile now matches the correct version. Error 3, the hole diameter. There is one more difference to check. The hole in the blue model appears slightly smaller than the hole in the orange model. Let's edit the whole feature and inspect its diameter. The drawing specifies an 8 mm diameter, but the incorrect model uses 7 mm. I'll change the diameter from 7 mm to 8 mm and rebuild the part. Now the hole matches the drawing and the correct model, verifying the final result. It looks like we've corrected all of the errors. Let's verify the result by checking the volume again. I'll open mass properties one more time. The volume is now 24,032 cubic millimeters. That matches the value specified in the drawing, so the model is correct. Now let's look at the second method for finding errors in a SOLIDWORKS model, using the Compare Geometry tool. This method is especially useful when you have two versions of the same part, one correct and one modified, and you want SOLIDWORKS to identify the differences automatically. Opening Compare Geometry. To use this tool, make sure both models are open. From the menu, go to Tools, Compare Geometry. The Compare Geometry window will appear on the right side. In this window, we need to select two documents. The reference document is the correct model. The modified document is the model that contains the errors. Now select Geometry and run the comparison, reviewing the results. SOLIDWORKS identifies the geometric differences between the two parts. In the results, we can choose to display material to remove, shown in blue, material to add, shown in brown. The brown areas represent geometry that exists in the modified model but should not be correct model. The blue areas represent geometry that is missing from the modified model and needs to be added to the correct model. As you can see, Compare Geometry is a very useful tool for locating errors quickly. I definitely recommend trying it whenever you need to compare a correct model with a modified version. If this video was helpful, please like the video and leave a comment. New CSWA and CSWP design and SOLIDWORKS videos are published every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.